Somebody cry.
Okay, so I know what everybody's thinking. I just suffered through 90-degree heat to witness a fantastic wedding. And I already ate my food and drank my drink. And now I want to drink the drink that is cool on the outside, warm on the inside.
That's right.
Go ahead,
But
Justin.
before, I have to give this toast. So let me tell you a bit about my dad and Danielle.
I'm crazy.
So
It's all right.
okay, so my dad, I witnessed him go through various relationships. I can name 3 off of them.
Okay.
Okay, what I was going to say from that is that with you, I felt something different. Rather than trying to impress me or, give your best first impression, you're just like, within 15 minutes, yeah, that's how we roll. And I could tell along the way that, along your journey, that you came to care very much for my dad, and my dad has come to care very much about you. And I just want to say congrats, and be real, both of you, to each other, and have a long-lasting marriage.
Good job, Joseph.
Somebody who else want to say something?
All right, we got my oldest son want to say something. He want to say something. Mac and Sally in the house.
My name is Melodious of all of them over there. What I want to say is to ditto from Justice. My mother, she went through a lot, and I seen it hands-on. I was knee-deep in it. And the first day I seen mine, it was different. It was a different aura from her. It was totally different from the man my mother has brought into our lives. And I knew it was going to be something different from him. And I knew he was going to make my mother happy for a long time. I just want to say, continue to keep my mother happy, continue to be happy, and continue to inspire everyone else.